Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so, as we always said to you at the Jamaica Young Police channel, just always look at your thumbnail, Once you look at your thumbnail, you know where we're going. And you can see right there that this has to do with the soldier that was murdered. Yeah, man. Them come out and I say, so the man, he's the one that responsible for taking his own thing. Took his own life. In which, as a former detective, based on what I have seen, yeah, that is not, you cannot classify that as, you cannot classify that case as anything but an homicide. I would say a homicide, a murder, yeah. I remember, murder is, when you take the life of another human being without justification, and it is done with malice aforethought, or maybe it's an accident. So it's homicide, it's a murder. When I forgot in depth to tell you that and everything, but as we can tell you that I don't know the man, but once they came out with this allegation, yeah man, so after them kill him, them come out now and start saturate the airwaves with say my rear he's involved in troubling pitney. Yeah, say my one of them little pitney and some people are saying all kind of this a file and that the file, and but we make it hear, we're going to let you hear from a woman who lives on the base at the Jamaica Defence Force at Upper Camp, and you're going to hear, you understand? So this man, what they're trying to portray out there and everything there, this is a clear case of murder. Anything else is madness. Clear case of murder. So they murder this man, you understand, and attack, say him do it. No, I know him do it. We don't know the man, and once them come out and them start pointing finger and try to distract the people from the truth, we know there's something wrong. You understand? And, the investigation look, them want the investigator to take the case in a different direction to take away the investigator's energy. So if you look on the man right hand, those who are privy when it come on to investigation, you can see that that's a bite mark, Who bite him there? You understand? So it is rumored that based on information that Rear Admiral's involved in his killing to one of them thing there. Yeah, them say Rear Admiral involved in him killing to. Yeah, them say, hey, that's the information from within the people of the intelligence unit in the Jamaica Defence Force. Yeah, you understand? Because them say, boy, this man was, in a Rear Admiral. Him in a Rear Admiral thing, and him know enough of man, them secret. So, you understand? So, we know, so when them try to take away the energy from the investigators, we know this is a sideshow. False allegations are like dark cloud looming over our heads, ready to strike at any moment. So, their impact on individuals is profound and long-lasting. The fallout from being wrongly accused can be immense, from tarnished reputations to legal troubles. It's a topic that deserves our attention and empathy. What they are trying to use is this case of carnal abuse, which I doubt and don't believe. So they want to use the carnal abuse case, as justification for killing this man, or if you say, him do it, lie, I don't him do it. No man do that, because if you look, you can see, so just look, if you look on the video, even from inside the vehicle, there's no blood there and them thing there. So elsewhere he was, them kill him. But I tell you, I'm moving body there, and you understand, and him kill himself. And then them I tell you, say, suicide. No man can, how if you commit suicide and bite mark on him, I bite himself. So, so the investigator, all even them thing, they are scientific evidence are coming play now and all them things. So them have to mold him teeth and all of these things. And make certain, said them now, you understand, the body is not messed with. So the tragic discovery of JDF Corporal Sekou Medder body along Palisades Road on Monday morning has raised numerous questions and concerns. So founded in a JDF service vehicle, Medder was identified as a 30-year-old soldier of the Jamaica Defence Force, and he was a corporal. So the scene marked by Medder in his blood-soaked uniform with a pistol between his hands initially points towards a possible suicide. Them think they are misleading and a suicide. No man, that's a theme body that you understand. No man, you see the shot where him get, and some people are saying 3 shots that he had received, is not 1. So we don't know. So a man can commit suicide and get 3 shots. So we have received information that a warrant officer from the Jamaica Defence Force said that Medder, so he was inside the vehicle with someone else on a suicide. So you understand? So them try to dirty the water first, to see where the public are going to suck up, and them say the next thing now, what they say happened after that now was that Medder was shot by himself. Yeah, that them just say first, and then now they're saying he was in the vehicle with a female, lie that, I don't know, female, and they were wrestling for the gun because them have an argument, and that's how him get shot. So him get shot, and then the female just plant the gun in him lap. I don't know female kill him, and he did not take his own life. We are telling that based on what we have seen, because we are all detective and them thing, we can't tell us this is a clear case of murder. Anything else is madness. So they are saying that it's a rear admiral strike and send this guy to the departure long and stay the scene. They must say a rear admiral kill him. Yeah, a rear admiral killed Medder, Sekou, and him never kill himself. So we are making know that and them thing there. Yeah, we know say right now everything is all about Vibes Cartel, yeah man, but hey, we still have to educate the people them and make them know what time it is. You understand? So the scene, marked by Medder in his blood, so you say if him did kill himself, no man commit suicide and shot themselves, and let them shot themselves in them head. And look, and when people commit suicide, I don't think that, you just say the splatter, and even him not get shot in a vehicle, because if him get shot in a vehicle, you just say blood would splatter and all kind of thing. All of them things are not happening and them things. So, stage a crime scene. So we'll see what is going to happen. You understand? So, initially pointed towards a possible suicide, but emerged details suggest that might be more to the story. So, Major Kazan Gonzel, the public relations officer of the JD, expressed the Army's sorrows over the loss and assured that support and counseling were being provided to Medder's family and colleagues. The JDF is collaborating with the Jamaica Constabulary Force in the investigation. Preliminary reports lean towards suicide, and we can't tell you that what them are saying. We are telling straight up that's misleading. That's another suicide. Based on what we have seen, the man him have a bite on him right hand. Yes, that right. This is near to which way I look right now when I look on the pistol. Yeah, to him right hand between him thumb and him finger. Him first finger, you understand? Right there him have a bite. So somebody bite him. If the army are going to hand over that person to the police and all of these things for them to do the necessary. But we have, you know, gleaned that he was in the vehicle with somebody else, and of them wrestled, pretty much fight for you, and that's why him get shot. This murder scene is staged. This suicide scene is staged. I don't know how the police them just run out and say, man, commit suicide. Suicide not commit that way. You understand? If they commit suicide, normal people commit suicide and shoot themselves in their head, and everything will just splatter all over in a vehicle. And this murder never commit in the vehicle. It's a stage scene. So we don't know who kill him and all of them things and do that. You understand? Yeah, so preliminary report suggests lean to that. But however, photo from the crime scene which surface in the public domain have cast doubt on this theory. So we are telling you, although them are telling this in our media, we are telling you straight up as a detective, a former detective, someone who experienced in investigating murder, this points straight to a murder. This is not suicide, murder. So if you're a murder, that's a madness. We are telling you, this can't be a suicide. Nobody, no man shot themselves. If he even shot himself in a, look here, who are commit suicide and shoot themselves in an chest? And based on what we have received, the information that is 3 shots he had received, we don't know how true it is, because they don't even report and tell you how many gunshot wounds to his body. You understand? We were just going off of what the media and the police at Kingston Eastern Division, you know, it's kind of tight lip. When I go say we have our sources there, so you understand, we're just right now we're just letting you know that based on what is out there to tarnish this man's reputation in debt, that he is the one that, you know, took his own life, his lies from the pits of hell. We are telling you that. You understand? So these allegations and the timing of his death complicate the narrative. False accusation, yeah, especially a serious one like sexual abuse, can ruin lives, casting a shadow that's hard to dispel. Such accusations divert attention and resources, often clouding the truth. It's critical to handle these cases with care, ensuring a thorough and fair investigation. Medder'S death under such contentious circumstances highlights the urgent need for clarity and justice. The community deserves transparency, and Medder'S family deserve answers. They need to know the truth. Medder'S not kill himself, and them murder him. We are telling that. Them murder him, we come out and say him commit suicide and say him trouble pitney and all of them things. This was done to protect the killer. So them kill him and then them muddy up the thing, and you know, we know them thing. We are telling you the truth, because that's what we're all about over here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We don't have no reason to lie to nobody, because lying is abomination unto the Lord. You understand? And we know that. The community deserve answers. You understand? So we believe the investigation must continue without bias, ensuring that all facts are brought to light and justice is served, whatever the outcome may be. This is not, and we are telling Medder'S family, friend, wife, girlfriend, if I'm married, children, brother, sister, neighbor, colleague, we are put our everything right on the line with this case. This is a murder, this is not a suicide. If this is suicide, any police come and say a suicide, well, you must get a paper bag too, because I saw it go in Jamaica, you know, yeah man, paper bag. Because we don't know if you're in an army, if you commit suicide, you don't get no money and them thing there. I think that's something happening in a police force. If you commit suicide, your family don't get nothing. I just saw it go, because life is precious, which is, we applaud that. We can't care what kind of problem you go through and them thing. You know, man, you know, take your life, Rasta. Although, you know, you don't know what I go through a person, man, but there's no justification for taking it. Look here, you suffer, you just go and suffer till you're dead. Or look on Job. Job never did take him life. And God, I swear God work out for him and heal him. So you have to just believe, you know, you have to believe. There's a God. You understand? And this man's family deserve answer, and them deserve the truth. You understand? So the investigation must continue without bias. We don't want to, you understand? Nobody about, that's a suicide. This is not a suicide. Any dummy I investigate this and say a suicide, that the police need to be fired. We are telling you, suicide not commit this way. Any fool that do this and them thing, then you understand? So this was an impulsive killing, you know. It wasn't something that planned through. They never thought through it, you know, thoroughly. They must kill him and decide, you know what, boy, I say a suicide, but it don't work. And I'm more one person involved in this. For his body. But I tell you that. So they need to do all fingerprint inside the vehicle. We'll see what got man them thing with the investigation, you know. So this incident should remind us of the grave consequences of false accusation and importance of integrity in investigative process. We must approach such cases with empathy, recognizing the profound impact that they have on individuals and their families. So yeah, so we make your ear, you know, you understand what I'm saying? We make your ear from, you know, from people who knew Sekou good, yeah, them know him very well, you know, and this is a man where the man on a pedophile, nothing and them thing there. As a year, you're going to hear some nastiness where the people them, how the Jamaica defense was them doing, you understand? How them live. I don't know how a man, how them do it and them thing there, you understand? You know, I don't know how them do it. How a man and, you know, them just from one woman to the next and all kind of thing, you know, this, it just sad, you know, how them live. Because if you as a man and them thing there, you have your woman, you supposed to respect your woman. Your woman is supposed to be with Tom, Dick and Harry, and you know that and them thing now. I pay sick people them. So you're going to hear some things, some people within the Jamaica Defence Force. But first, we make you a rear admiral, you know. Yeah man, how you mean? We make him come out and him attack the things, you know, a rear admiral, yeah, him attack the things. So we make you hear what him say and them thing there, so you watch, you listen and you decide. Well, I tell you, we don't know if a rear admiral lick him was still doing, you know, you understand? So you watch, you listen and you decide.
One of my clients them up there and somebody specifically could have tell me, say, you know, say that person up there I call up a name and I say nah work with you and this and that. So I'm saying yeah, that I go on and something. So them up there and them talk. So our next group of guys came in from engineering regiment because they do some refurbish. They refurbish one building up there and something. So one group of guys came up there and you know say them build up stripe with the guys them and something to and call up my name that might have one next girlfriend up there now, right? But that person nobody know. One thing in the army, when you know other gay people in the army, we not talk. You understand? We might text and whatever or meet up outside the army, but once we in the army environment, we not talk. So you now go suspect we are suspect nothing. You understand me? So the guy up there and them attack and me realize oh, and the guy could have come to me and tell me everybody name we call up my name up there. You understand? Then time that them you know say I build my case pan them, you know. You understand? So the guy tell me the story where them up there attack and the whole truckload of the guy them a come for do the maintenance up there and them sit down and them preach from the youth name, the youth and me. Them preach from my name and them talk all sort of shit and something, but them no know say me have people in a higher places than them and people who have to look out for me, you understand? So in the process of that and when them do all of that, me up on my phone and make call to people in a higher rank and make them know what time it is because them no know say me no want really talk it, but the JDF is run by LGBTQ. Homosexuality run the JDF, and one says a gay man in a JDF, other gay man I go look out for you. You understand me? Other gay man I go look out for you. So, and most of the gay man them are the officers them in a big rank. So them with them look enlisted can't do nothing much about it. People might not show up, but people show out for you and put things into writing for you. You understand? Me now call the officers them name or nothing, but you know when the series progress, me I go say certain things and me I go talk, but me not go be mischievous and call people name at this time. You understand? Me I say me not have no time for that, but me I tell them that. You understand?
Yeah, so whether you like the man or not, you know that's your thing, you know. Them say a word to the wise is sufficient. And so there's an adage, you know, that says if fish comes from the depths of the canal and say that a shark lived down there, believe the fish. This is precisely what the rear admiral of the military is telling us, you know. So he might tell you, say, a rear admiral on the Jamaica Defence Force, and he might say, are the officer them. So you don't know, you know, he might want to feed them him a rear admiral, you know, and him a report and I tell you say, oh, a rear admiral run this thing, you know, and another other guy, you know, a rear admiral run the Jamaica Defense Force. So any little guy I go on like say, oh, you know, like what I go on and them thing there. You know, there are consequences. And him say I go talk the things. So we don't know what role them play in a Corporal Medder'S death. You understand? So when someone, you know, when someone with first-hand experience and knowledge shares a warning or insight, we should take it seriously. The Rear Admiral, with his extensive background and position, is offering a perspective grounded in reality and expertise. His insights into the situation, much like the fish warning about the shark, are based on direct knowledge and should not be dismissed. So when him tell you, you know, say, oh, a Rear Admiral run the military, you know, and I officer them, you know, because you don't know, you know. This is a man where I tell you, you know, say, oh, I know the thing, you know, you understand what I'm saying, so. And he must say, boy, man, I call up him name and all of them thing there, and you understand. So we don't know what Medder have to do with him and him thing when him come out and make him speech since the death of Medder, you understand. So I don't know if I Rear Admiral him in the army. He must say, boy, I them send Medder'S to the departure long. We don't know, cause you understand what I'm saying. But based on information received and obtained, boy, we know say Medder'S thing a murder. You understand? So him now come out and I say you know, a murder and them thing there. I tell you say, boy, man, I call up him name and all of them thing there, and I try, you understand what I'm saying? So he must tell it as it is. So in this context, the Rear Admiral's message carries a significant weight. His position and his experience lend credibility to his statement, and it is wise to heed his warning and take the insight seriously. Ignoring such informed perspectives can lead to misunderstanding the gravity of the situation and underestimating, you know, much like ignoring a fish's warning about the shark presence in the canal. So I want you to listen to that. Listen to this sister, you know, who live on the base there at Upper Camp. So you watch, you listen, and you decide, because hey, look here, knowledge is power, you know. And we're reaching an era, you know, where people afraid that crime as them anymore, you know, because they realize that them have the power, you know. You understand? Unlike them rile up the people and make them feel say criminals run the things. No. Law abide. We know, say, boy, we have all corrosion judge and corrubuncus judge and thieves, brown paper bag people, you understand what I'm saying? So, you know, so you watch, you listen, and you decide.
The whole scene was staged. He was shot elsewhere. When he bleed out, then put him back in a vehicle and go park the vehicle. So there was a murder, they murder a youth. It in deep. The boy, the father, the little girl father named Omar Lafayette. Omar, they are Sri Lanka, Melissa Hannah bodyguard. The whole of them live in a Camp View. They live at either 99 or 100, but I think I'm more 100. And the little youth live down close to me. Number 1, number 3 apartment. All of them in there, a friend and Kumboro. So the whole of them did one another girl. This week they want to take the girl, next week they want to take the girl. Right now, Omar do take one next another little youth woman full time. So I pure mix up and story, but Sekou shouldn't trouble Omar daughter. She go and Sekou Sisoka yesterday say she in a relationship with this soldier, and I soldier have sex with him. So then come film last night. Then go film last night, then I find him in my apartment. Then realizing they are work. So you see date stamp on him watch 9:43 last night. He broke out a camp with the people them, with the commanding officer Prado.
Alright, so we have received information that when the man was driving out of camp, you know, based on his job description, he's allowed, you know, you can say, I'm going to test the vehicle and all of these things and, you know, cover the CO plate Cause I saw it going in the military and them thing there, you know. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know. You know, well, you know, when I serve in the military, you're a flag officer and all that. I don't know how them do it in Jamaica, so you understand, flag officer, but them have the flag on them vehicle. Whether them in a vehicle or not, cause ego, you know, them want to salute them vehicle. Yeah man, what? You see a flag officer vehicle, you have to salute it and them thing, you know, that ain't a problem. So we don't know, so based on what they're saying, Omar Lafayette, that the little girl father, is in Sri Lanka. People this one within the military base and share information with us and we share it with you. So it's not a suicide. So as you heard, you know, that he was killed elsewhere and then them stage the scene. Because if he was look, his uniform supposed to be soaking wet and you're supposed, you know, when you're looking at a vehicle where him sit, you're supposed to say blood that has been there like and seep up and all kind of thing, yeah. But none of that. And the worst thing is that him in a vehicle and the AC on same way. That makes sense now. So and you understand. Something just not right there, you understand. So you know, as we moving on. So we want you know, Corporal Sekou Medder family to know that, yeah man, his killing is not no suicide. The man received 3 gunshot wounds to his body. But so far the media hasn't told the Jamaican people that, so it seems like they must start cover it up. And then them come out now and say, well, he might trouble little pitney. We don't know if there's any truth to it. You understand? And they must say him commit suicide. A man can't commit suicide and get 3 shots. 3 shots the man get to him body. So that a suicide? That don't make sense. Normally a man commit suicide, him shoot himself in the head. That's the easiest way and them thing there. You understand? Especially, you know, when you come on to gun and them thing there. You understand? So that's it, you know, too. So he's the CEO driver. This man, yeah, Medder is the CEO driver. And the CEO sign, and him not supposed to, once the CEO not in a vehicle, the CEO sign supposed to covered. And it was uncovered. So one begin to want to know, is the CEO was in the vehicle that I'm a commanding officer? The sign was uncovered. So them same work at SSB, and if him a driver, him can say, you know, he's going to test the vehicle, and then not check him out at the front gate. But the situation look kind of spooky still, you know. It don't look right at all. Something is amiss. Everything, you understand, and you know. And then now them come out now and I say, boy, I'm a pedophile and all of this and them thing there. Hey, look here, if I'm a pedophile, we burn fire and pedophile. Because the man is supposed to, you're not supposed to see no little pitney and you get no farmer a rose. You're not supposed to a rose from little pit. No, you're not supposed, as big man, you're not supposed, 30, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? As a 30-year-old man, you're supposed to say a little pitney, a 12-year-old. That pitney is supposed to be like your daughter, your sister, your cousin, your neighbor. So it's supposed to be maximum respect. But hey, look here, you have some man, you know, where just them not have nothing about them, you know, where I tell you, you know, believe you me, you know. Oh, a man say a little pitney, and you understand, a little pitney, and you know, and you know, and him soldier stand up. How kind of dirty man that, man? But as you hear the lady say, and she said, boy, I them kill him not kill himself. So the police force, that statement when they put out initially say man commit suicide, that's a bad statement, man. Because the reason why they're doing this, so apparently somebody want this man dead, you know. You understand? Because I don't, number one, even if I did carnal, look here, as I talk about carnal abuse, somebody even contact with them thing about police were a pedophile and them thing there, and you know, somebody, you know, said something to me and them thing about one of our squad, yeah, him know himself. Yeah, that I see him, yeah, I see him brother, him name Ian Bennett, America Traffic, yeah, America Traffic headquarters. Yeah, that's how, hey, may I tell you, you know, how people stay, you know. Me and Ian Bennett, we are not a big friend, you know. Last time I see him and him talk on the phone couple years ago and them thing there. But you see, brother, when he and Duppy Police, Cliff Coleman, him see man, you know, did tell ugly some, you know, say me and Bennett a friend and Bennett a child molester. And it was them work I see him division, I think, you know, both of them. But I saw it go on them thing there, you know, so because he want to tarnish my reputation, he want to link me now with somebody. And me and Bennett and a friend that we, in a them way, they and them thing. Because no man, me bun me, hey. Well, those who work with me and them thing, they know me deal with men who commit rape, especially in time I go for them and them thing. Now, once they have it, you understand what I'm saying? Them know that. But let's see what the police them need to re-release, because no man can commit suicide with 3 shots, 3 bullets wound to him body and them thing. The suicide and the gun is placed there. What them do all the DNA and all kind of things, because everything is a stage scene. So, why? And if this man trouble look up at me, that is really, really sad though. Why, it's sad. One of the saddest story with the sincere though. Believe you me, a soldier, you know, got killed and then them try to report it as suicide. Why, we can't believe a soldier to a just sad. But we continue and we just want a better Jamaica, you understand? Where male will see the little children and know that little children are little children and you don't molest them or trouble them. You treat them as your daughter or your son or whatever. But some people, they don't care about that, you know. All them care about is how them feel. You understand? So, have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.